Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 9. This module, we're going to be talking about yes, no questions and conjugating AR verbs. So this is a really important topic. We already learned some irregular verbs like tener and ser. Now we're going to learn our regular verbs that end with AR, so like the pattern for all of those verbs. So make sure you go through all the materials for this week. We also have the pronunciation review again. This is just going over those vowel and consonant sounds because this week, instead of the regular speaking assignment, we have speaking assignment, pronunciation project number 2. First, let me just tell you the homework packet. I know it says 7. It's because we skipped 2 weeks of homework packets during the field specific project. So even though it's module 9, it's only the 7th homework packet. Don't let the numbers confuse you. It's the correct one for this module. So make sure you go through the homework packet. And then, like I said, we have the next pronunciation project. So if you got a 95 or higher on the first pronunciation project, you can actually choose to skip this one and count your grade from the first one as also your grade for the second one. So please send me an email if you would like to take that option. If you got below an 85 on the first one, I really recommend that you meet with me, either in person or on Zoom, whatever, or call, just to go over the pronunciation. It will really, really help you. So again, if you got above a 95, you can email me that you want to count your first grade as the second one. If you got below an 85, I really recommend that you set up a meeting with me to go over the pronunciation. And then we have our quiz like always. So let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.